In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up quotes in Zoho CRM. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Zoho CRM account and looking at the main CRM screen. The first thing you will do is confirm that the quotes module is available, because if it is not enabled, you will not be able to create or manage quotes properly. Go to the Settings option at the top of Zoho CRM. Once you are in Settings, look for the section called Customization. This area controls which modules are active and how their fields are set up. Under Customization, click Modules and Fields. This opens the list of modules your CRM can use. From here, locate the Quotes module and ensure it is checked or enabled. If it is already enabled, you can move on. If it is not enabled, turn it on so it appears in your CRM navigation. This is important because quotes often connect to other records like deals, accounts, and products, and enabling the module makes that workflow possible. Next, return to the main CRM view and open the Quotes module from the top navigation bar. You should now see the quotes area where existing quotes would be listed, along with the option to create a new one. Click plus Create Quote to start building a quote. A quote form will open. Now you will map or fill in the key details for the quote. Enter a clear subject so it is easy to identify later. Then map the deal name and the account name. These links help Zoho CRM associate the quote with the right opportunity and the right customer account, which keeps your pipeline and reporting accurate. After that, scroll down to the Quoted Items section. This is where you add what you are actually quoting. Click Add Line Items, then select your products. Take your time to choose the correct items, since the products you pick will drive the pricing and totals on the quote. Once your details and line items are in place, click Save. Saving creates the quote record and stores it in the Quotes module, so you can return to it, update it, or use it in your sales process. And that covers everything you need to know.